The 2025 Cadillac Escalade, redefining American luxury. Speed riders, today we're shifting from two wheels to four, but we're keeping the same standard of excellence as we explore the pinnacle of American luxury, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. This isn't just another luxury SUV, it's a rolling testament to American craftsmanship, technology, and uncompromising comfort. Welcome to the ultimate luxury experience, only on Speed Riders. Redefined American luxury, the Escalade legacy. The Cadillac Escalade has long stood as the symbol of American luxury and presence, and the 2025 model elevates this legacy to unprecedented heights. This latest iteration represents the perfect fusion of traditional Cadillac elegance with cutting-edge technology and performance. The Escalade continues to define what a full-size luxury SUV should be, combining massive presence with sophisticated refinement that challenges even the most established European competitors. Bold design language. Commanding presence, the 2025 Escalade features Cadillac's most aggressive and sophisticated design yet, muscular proportions, an imposing silhouette that commands attention on any road. Signature lighting, vertical LED headlights and taillights with intricate lighting signatures, premium details, bright chrome accents, massive grille, and flawless paint finishes. Wheel options. Available 24-inch alloy wheels with multiple premium design sport package, optional dark trim and performance-oriented styling elements. Technological marvel, the digital sanctuary. The 2025 Escalade features the most advanced technology in its class, curved OLED display, 38 inches of diagonal screen real estate with stunning clarity, AKG studio reference, 36-speaker audio system with exceptional sound quality, Super Cruise, hands-free driving assistance on over 400,000 miles of roads, augmented reality navigation, overlaying directions onto real-world camera views, 5G connectivity. Ultra-fast internet connectivity throughout the vehicle. Powertrain excellence, performance meets refinement. The Escalade offers multiple powertrain options to suit every need, 6.2L V8 engine, 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque with cylinder deactivation, 3.0L turbo diesel, 277 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque with exceptional efficiency, 10-speed automatic, seamless shifting with adaptive learning technology, magnetic ride control, the world's fastest reacting suspension system, four-wheel steering, improving maneuverability and high-speed stability. Interior luxury, first-class accommodations. The Escalade's cabin represents the peak of automotive luxury, premium materials, full-grain leather, real wood, and brushed aluminum throughout. Executive seating, available second-row captain's chairs with massage function, climate control, quad-zone system with air purification and fragrance delivery, night vision, thermal imaging system detecting pedestrians and animals, power steps, automatic deploying steps for easy entry and exit. Performance and capability, more than just luxury. Beyond its luxury focus, the Escalade delivers impressive capability, towing capacity, up to 8,300 pounds when properly equipped, air suspension, self-leveling system with multiple height adjustments, four-wheel drive, advanced system with multiple terrain modes, braking performance, massive Brembo brakes with excellent stopping power, fuel efficiency, surprisingly reasonable for its size with cylinder deactivation. Safety and security, comprehensive protection. The 2025 Escalade offers unparalleled safety features, surround vision, 360-degree camera system with multiple viewing angles, automatic emergency braking, frontal and rear collision prevention, blind zone steering assist, preventing lane change collisions, teen driver system, monitoring and limiting features for new drivers, security package, comprehensive anti-theft and monitoring systems. The Speed Rider's verdict, the complete luxury statement. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade represents the ultimate American luxury vehicle, presence and prestige, unmatched road presence and recognition, technological leadership, the most advanced features in its class, comfort and space, incredible interior space with first-class comfort capability, genuine utility and towing capacity when needed, value proposition, competitive pricing against European rivals. This vehicle proves that American luxury can compete with and even surpass the best from Europe, offering a unique blend of presence, technology, and capability that's unmistakably Cadillac. Outro. Speed Riders, does the 2025 Escalade represent the pinnacle of American luxury, or do you prefer European alternatives? Hit that like button if you appreciate American automotive excellence, and subscribe to Speed Riders for the most comprehensive vehicle reviews. Let us know in the comments what's your ultimate luxury SUV, and how would you spec your Escalade? Keep pursuing automotive excellence, and we'll see you in the next episode.